In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Magic Media in Canva. We'll walk through where to find it, how to choose what you want to create, and how to write a clear description so the results match your vision. By the end, you'll feel comfortable generating custom visuals directly inside your project. Start by opening your project in Canva. Once you're in your design, take a look at the left-hand panel. You should see an option labeled Magic Media. This is where Canva's generative tools live. If you don't see it right away, use the search within the Apps section on the left. Typing Magic Media will bring it up, and you can open it from there. Keeping your project open while you do this is important, because the content you generate will be tied to the design you're currently working on. When Magic Media opens, you'll notice tabs for different types of creations. You can choose from images, graphics, videos, or 3D. Think of these as categories that guide the tool toward the format you want. Images are great for lifelike or styled scenes. Graphics can lean toward more illustrative results. Videos create short motion clips based on your idea. And 3D brings in depth and perspective. Pick the tab that best fits the feel and purpose of your project, so the output aligns with what you need. Below the tabs, you'll see a field where you describe what you want. This description is the heart of your result. For example, you could type, "Girl with flowers." That simple phrase will work, but adding a bit of context can help the tool aim more precisely. You might include elements like the setting, mood, or style, such as "girl with flowers in a sunlit garden," soft pastel colors. Keep your wording clear and direct. Short descriptive phrases usually perform well and reduce confusion. Once your description is ready, click Generate. You'll see the tool begin processing. This can take a few moments, especially for videos or more complex requests. It's normal to wait while it does the heavy lifting. Avoid clicking away until it finishes, so your results load properly in your project. And that's it. You found Magic Media from your project, chose the type of content you want, described your idea in the prompt field, and generated it. The clearer your description, the closer the results will be to what you imagined. Use this workflow whenever you need fresh visuals quickly, right inside the design you're already building.